Welcome to your dream retreat on the highly sought-after shores of Lake Tyler. This charming one-bedroom, one-bathroom boathouse offers 2,100 square feet of heated and cooled living space, ideal as a permanent residence or weekend getaway. Enjoy an open floor plan with stunning lake views from every angle, whether you're relaxing in the living room or taking in the July 4th fireworks show from the expansive deck. Designed for lakefront living, the property boasts 5 boat stalls, 2 jet ski lifts, accommodating up to 4 jet skis, and a deck complete with a diving board and double-level seating area, perfect for entertaining. The 1-acre lot features a circular drive and fencing for added privacy. A bathroom with convenient deck access makes hosting guests a breeze, while ample room allows for building your dream home if desired. Just minutes from Whitehouse and close to the marina, this property is located in one of Lake Tyler's most desirable areas. Don't miss your chance to own this ultimate lakeside escape. Come see. Come buy. This property is a leasehold with the City of Tyler. $900 per year fee paid to the city.